Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to set up Instagram Shop 2023 step by step. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, we will be discussing and showing you guys the way that you will be able to set up your own Instagram shop. Now, in this method that we will be talking about in today's video, we will be utilizing Shopify over here, which is an amazing e-commerce platform that would allow us to create our shop for Instagram easily. So first things first, what you're going to have to do is to go to shopify.com and create an account. Setting up an account on Shopify is very straightforward and very simple, so I doubt you guys will have a very hard time creating one. So after creating your shop in Shopify, it's absolutely for free. You will be able to see this on our screen. So what we're going to do right away is you're going to look over here on the left side on like the bottom part. You will be able to see here apps. Now because Shopify in itself with its raw features, there isn't a way for us to connect Instagram and Shopify right away. But through apps, which will contain different apps with different features that would improve our experience with Shopify, there will be a lot of apps that would allow us to connect Instagram and Shopify together. And by clicking on Add Apps over here, you will be able to see a pop-up wherein you will be able to see some featured apps over here, just like what we are seeing right now. But to be able to see all or more apps, simply click on or scroll down to the bottom and click on Find More Apps in the Shopify App Store. After that, of course, we will be redirected to the app of the App Store over here. This is where we are right now. So over here at the top, simply search for Instagram and click on Enter. By doing that, we will be able to filter all the different options or all the different apps that are specifically for Instagram. So as you can see here, there are for Facebook and Instagram over here. There's InstaFeed, there's Instagram Shop and Facebook Shop over here, InstaFeed plus a story Instagram feed, and many more. Now, one of the most used app is the Facebook and Instagram and InstaFeed over here. For the Facebook and Instagram, this will allow you to sell on Facebook and Instagram and seamlessly manage your business from one place, which is in Shopify. You will be able to get shop insights, including best performing products, help drive better ads, easily set up your shop with a one-time account connection, and sell from one inventory that will automatically sync to your shop. So what is going to happen is that this app will connect your Shopify store to your Instagram and Facebook account, and you will be able to manage everything happening in that store. So let's actually view it by installing it. Now, hopefully, we will be able to connect because unfortunately for me, Instagram or Facebook Shop is not available for our region. But hopefully through my explanation, we will be able to still guide you guys on how you will be able to do this and have your Instagram shop or even Facebook shop set it up. So over here on our Shopify, let's wait for it to continue. We have the Facebook and Instagram over here. Now while waiting for this, and there we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on Get Started over here, and you're going to have to connect your Facebook account. Now your Facebook and Instagram are most likely the same, often are the same account. So you can simply connect your account, then you can connect your business account, and then there will be terms and conditions over here that you will be able to submit for review. And then after the review, you will be able to add with like ads over here. Now, to be able to connect your Instagram and Facebook, you will be able to do that with this process over here. You're going to have to complete that first. Now for this other app over here, which is InstaFeed, this will display customable, shoppable Instagram feed on your store. You could convert your store visitors into customers. You could show posts like photos, reels, videos in grid or slider layout. You could manual or auto-optimize layout, and then you could do a lot of customization. So this specific app over here is built specifically to attract store visitors into customers. So it will allow you to display your Instagram feed wherein they will be able to order from it. So let's actually install it as well by simply clicking on install. Now, how it works is that when everything is set up, once your account is connected with like this app over here, and maybe this one if you want, this install app, what will happen is you will have the option to connect, or you will now have the connection between your Instagram and your Shopify. So whatever or anything that will be added on your products over here, anything that you add over here will now be automatically added to your Instagram. So over here, connect with Instagram. And for the InstaFeed, this is more on like a marketing program wherein you will be able to attract users to buy your product. So let's wait for the connection to finish over here. There we go. You're going to have to wait for a few seconds. It's a connection, so you're going to have to be patient with it. But as you can see, we are now currently connected to Instagram. We have our feed title over here, but we can simply save it as it is. So this will now appear on your shop, but we will need to upgrade our plan to display reels if you want. But we are connected to our Instagram account, but they are unable to fetch any posts because we don't have any posts yet on our Instagram over here because this is a new account. But by having this specific app installed, you will be able to display feeds. So for example, you set up like a shop on Instagram where you display some foods, some drinks that you are trying to sell. They will be able to post it using the Insta feed. It will now appear on your Shopify store, wherein you could also manage using the products over here, or you could add, and then like a typical e-commerce shop, you will be able to sell products from that as well. So to be able to add a product, assuming you were able to connect it with the Facebook and Instagram over here, and this one over here as an additional, to be able to add a product for your Instagram store, whether it's a food, it's an item, or any type of product, whether it's a service even, you could simply add that product over here by clicking on products and add product over here. By doing that, you will be able to check over here. And over here, you will be able to notice on the right side on the publishing, Facebook and Instagram is now part of the selection wherein you will be able to publish it, because Facebook and Instagram will be added to your sales channel once you set this up over here. You're going to have to connect it. I can't show you how to connect it, guys, because in my region, that is not available for me. For your information, my region is the Philippines, so that is not an option available for me. I cannot set up an Instagram and Facebook shop for my region. But for you guys, hopefully you will be able to do it. But after that, you will be able to add any product that you are going to add right now for your Facebook and Instagram. So over here, let's say t-shirt of a dinosaur. Now this is just an example over here. This is not an actual product that I have, but over here for the description, you can add that as well. Over here for the media, you could add that as well. Then over here, you have the pricing, the typical information where you could add the information about like a specific product, like the price, the weight, the variance, all of those stuff. But after that, you can simply click on save, and you will be able to save the product just like that. And now supposedly it should appear on your Shopify store or your Facebook store as well after adding a specific product. So that's basically it now for guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.